What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys the best screen protector for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the ZAGG Invisible Shield Glass Elite 360 Privacy Screen Protector, which we're going to use on the 15 Pro Max. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to put it on. Now, this screen protector itself ain't cheap, and this is a really high premium screen protector because this screen protector is definitely on the thick side, which provides extra protection. Now, even right in front of the packaging here, we can see that it's 5 times stronger than their standard glass. It provides privacy protection all around and has precise installation with their easy application tray. And then right in the back over here, again, you can see more details of this case. And what I love about ZAGG is that they also offer a limited lifetime warranty, which you can also take advantage of this warranty, whether it's online or at the ZAGG kiosk. If you're at a mall, there's certain ZAGG kiosks out there that you can always bring to them and they'll be able to replace it for you for a small fee. So you're gonna get an installation tray, and then we have instructions on how to install the screen protector right on the back of this envelope over here, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. All right, and right here we have the Glass Elite 360. Again, this is a really nice privacy screen protector. Definitely feels really nice and thick. Definitely high quality. So you can see here as I turn from left to right, you see how it gets very dark, and it also provides the same type of darkness if you're looking at it from the top to bottom. Now, to install the screen protector, you're going to get a microfiber cloth, an alcohol prep pad, and a dust removal sticker. All right, the first thing you want to do is power off your 15 Pro Max, so that way the screen doesn't wake and you can see the screen itself. And then we're going to clean the screen, starting with the alcohol prep pad. Gently pass it across the phone. Then we're going to take the microfiber cloth over here, and then we're going to pass it across the phone again. It's going to wipe off that alcohol residue. And you want to make sure your screen is free of any lint or dust. And just to make sure, you want to use your dust removal sticker over here. Reveal the adhesive side, and then you can basically go all across the screen. And you could also save this for later usage in case you get a lint trapped underneath. Definitely make sure the screen is perfectly clean again. You always want to take your time because you only get one. Next, we're going to grab our installation frame here. So you're going to locate the arrow which is pointing up. And this is going to say top, so that way you know this is going to be the top of the phone. And you're just going to basically line your 15 Pro Max. You're going to drop it on the tray, and it should fit very precisely. Then we're going to take our screen protector here. We're going to remove step number 1. And that's going to reveal the adhesive side of the screen protector. And then we're going to hold these tabs over here. You're going to see holes on the top and bottom. We're going to line it up with the holes on the top and the bottom over here. Start with the top and then the bottom. So you should see the screen protector adhere automatically. If not, give that a nice little push. I recommend grabbing the microfiber cloth and try to apply pressure from the middle down, and then try to apply pressure evenly to get the most bubble from your first try. Same thing, you want to apply even pressure. Then you want to take the top protector, lift it up, and you're pretty much good to go. Now we have the screen protector successfully installed. And here I have a very clean installation over here, but if you have any type of micro bubbles or anything like that, you can go ahead and grab the microfiber cloth again, and you want to basically gently push the bubbles out. You might need to apply more force, and it's kind of hard to see here. You have a dark screen protector, so some of the imperfections might be hidden very well. You may notice a piece of lint trapped right underneath, and sometimes you can't help it, but if you ever want to remove this, all you have to do is take the dust removal sticker here, and you want to basically gently lift up a corner of the screen protector that's closest to the lens. So I have it right over here. So I'm just gonna lift this up. And then you're gonna put the removal sticker on the bottom. And then you just basically push it out. And that should get the little lint that was trapped underneath. And then you can kind of see that the lint is no longer there. And again, it's really optional. It's up to you. If it really bothers you, you can always just lift it up and take the dust removal. Just be very careful when you do that, of course. All right, now that we have the phone here, let's go ahead and test out the screen protector here. Now, since this is a privacy screen protector, sometimes your phone might look a little bit dark, and that's because the screen protector itself is very dark. It has like a black tint, of course, so you might have to raise the brightness a little bit higher than normal. So sometimes you might find yourself increasing it all the way to the max. So just keep in mind that the brightness is going to definitely be affected with any type of privacy screen protector you get. I mean, at least the good ones. So if you have it at high brightness right over here, you can kind of see it very clearly, but you can probably put it lower and it'll maximize the benefit of the privacy. So taking a look at side by side, you can see right over here automatically hides the contents of the phone. And then if you go from the bottom, same thing. And then from the top. So you're basically getting 360 degree coverage, which is pretty cool. Now, if you have the screen at its maximum brightness, keep in mind that the side-by-side might be a little bit legible, as you can probably see there. And that's obviously because you have the brightness all the way up. But it still masks the contents of the phone still. So it's definitely a lot better than not having the privacy screen protector at all. And of course, the lower you go, the more it's gonna be basically non-existent. Now what I like about the screen protector here is that it's very thick. And I don't know if you can kind of tell here, but the actual screen protector feels really nice and very thick. And other screen protectors that I've tried in the past have been very thin, and ZAGG has always been one of those companies that always have one of the best screen protectors. Now they have other lines of screen protectors. Glass Elite 360 is the top of the line privacy screen protectors, which is what I personally recommend. Now let's go ahead and test out the sensitivity here, and everything feels buttery and smooth. I honestly prefer how the screen protector feels versus the screen of the phone, because sometimes over time the screen can get very stuck, and because it has a nice coating on top to kind of like prevent oil buildup, it feels super smooth, and it's always going to feel like that for a very long time. You can see pinch and zoom is actually, you can see pinch and zoom glides very easily, and for me it glides even easier than the actual screen itself. Now you'll notice right on top over here where the dynamic island sits, it still allows transparency. Other privacy screen protectors might leave this portion naked, but I like how ZAGG has full protection. It just leaves it transparent so that the front camera can function properly, as well as all of the sensors that we have on here, such as the Face ID, will work properly. Another thing to note is that this screen protector over here does not cover the full screen of it, and this is great because it will allow full compatibility for many cases out there, since it leaves just enough room for cases to fit and not lift up your screen protector. So all in all, guys, I highly recommend the ZAGG Glass Elite 360 Privacy. Now I understand that the screen protector itself is on the pricey side. It retails for $60, so it's definitely a very expensive screen protector. But for what you get for it, you're getting a high quality premium screen protector. And keep in mind that the 15 Pro Max starts at $1,200, which again is only a small percentage of the cost of the phone. However, if you're still looking for a less expensive option, I will link two other ones, another one from ZAGG and another one from another brand that I recommend that I've tried before. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.